Think you know nature? Think again. Here are 5 mind-blowing facts about the natural world you probably never knew. Some jellyfish can actually live forever. Yep, Turritopsis dohrnii can reverse its aging process. Plants can warn each other about danger using underground chemical signals. It's like nature's secret internet. There's a waterfall in Antarctica that's blood red. But don't worry, it's just iron-rich water oxidizing. Still creepy though. The Amazon rainforest is so massive, it creates its own weather system, generating up to 50% of its own rainfall. The oldest tree on Earth is over 4,800 years old. That's older than the pyramids. Nature's full of surprises, and we've only scratched the surface. Like, share and follow for more mind-blowing facts.